very good reason. Our city, our contestant 4 years ago, is the defending national champion. That's the very reason why this activity would mean choosing the best 5 from this group. It doesn't matter what school are you representing. The topic has just been identified minutes ago. So, if you remember, I asked each one of you what topics did you deliver during the club level competition, because we don't want the same topic will be given in here. So this is a new topic, and because if you will be the national champion, that would make traveling
1 year. Nagkuha na lang ko sa paggalingon. Ako man, ayaw na kayo magkapit naman ko. Pagtiwas ka pa, kamay na lang yan. Ay na lang niti, video mo na. Okay. Kape hadumanan kaya nga maldita, wag yung manunga, oy.